Good, good. They join maximum correct time. You can save our time. So concentration methods are given. First one, weight by weight percent. Second one, V by V percent. Third one, W by V percent. I think so. Fourth one, strength of solution. And fifth one, molarity. These are we are giving. Right, given some questions you have to create through molarity, how to find out your own. Very simple, that is formula again molarity. Even if there's some questions, actually one or two students they sent to me, sir, I done my questions is correct or wrong. Okay, correct or wrong, at least they done some questions, fine. So like that your own, you prepared any questions? My Word document not activated, that's why I'm not able to use that Word document. Someone they activated Windows, fine, good. That is, if Word document they're asking something, password or something, that's I don't have. If anyone you are able to do, if you help me, that's good. I can use Word only next. Yeah, someone they done questions. At least you done 2, 3, 5 doesn't matter, but your own you done or not, that's important. Shall we do one more question? Yes, sir. Same molarity based questions only to get how to use these things. Huh? Calculate the molarity of 4W by V percent of NaOH. Same. Calculate molarity of 4.9 W by W percent of H2SO4 solution. Density of the solution equal to 1.2 gram per ml. Please try these two questions. Yes, we are using all the cases here in grams only. We are using mostly all the weights we are using in grams only. Hmm? No, no, I will give all these things. You don't worry. Huh? Right, you can send Saturday, Sunday also doubts which you done. Suppose some people they are not getting properly, you make and send your doubts, we make and replace that time if possible. At the time, mostly if I am free, 100% I will give reply. Even after 6 also, you can send your doubts through WhatsApp. Whenever I am free, I will let you know back. Hmm? But you have to send out, sir. At least participate. Hmm. I will discuss these questions, don't worry. Anyone of their friends is there, you may can take notes from them through WhatsApp, or you may can ask recorded video they will give. That may utilize for that one, utilize for you. But before coming class, we can use those things. Yes, someone they given answers. Okay, question one. One mole. Yeah, fine. The question is molarity. Molarity units is moles per liter, sir. Now we are solving, sir. Next, you can see these questions. Very simple. I think so. First formula, whoever option, please note down. W by W percent meaning W grams of solute. All these are we are finding concentration of solute. We will give, sir. That is also capital W grams of. G means grams. Please don't write this different way. G means grams. W grams of solution into 100. Our target very simple, sir. In the given solution, how much solute is present? We have to find out. This is a solution. We may can take NaCl solution, sugar water, anything. Who are absent, especially please concentrate. So in that solution, suppose this is sugar solution. In this solution, how much sugar is present? I have to calculate. That only we called concentration method. That present less amount or more amount that I'm going to be calculate. To calculate that, I'm using different methods. Those are the methods which I give first one here. Understood? W by W percent, W by V percent. All these are methods. These are methods to calculate concentration. Clear? If I understood one method, remaining method also similar methods, but we have to remember formula only. This is the weight by weight percent. I think so. Second formula also. Please note down anyway. I can't discuss everything right now. Who are absent last class? I can't cover again last class now. V by V means volume by volume. VML of solute by VML of solution into 100. Fine. What is the formula you given, sir? Molarity. Molarity equal to W by W. Sorry, I think so. First question we are solving. First question. W by V percent, sir. Is it correct? The question I mentioned. W by V percent into N by gram molecular mass. We given this formula not, sir. If you are not giving, please let me know. We'll discuss again. Given this formula, can you see your notes? No. Okay, fine. Today we'll discuss. Please keep that one. We'll continue that one. I think so. Molarity formula we given last class. Molarity equal to given mass by gram molecular mass into 1000 by VML. I think everyone you know this formula. I hope. Now we can see. I'm writing still, sir. This is what we call, sir. Yesterday given If anyone you refer to formulas, this is we called strength of solution. W into 1000 by VML we called strength of solution. Is it correct? Array percentage means into 100. Is it correct? W grams. What is the strength of solution formula, sir? W grams of solute dissolved in VML into 1000. Equivalent strength of solution formula. Please, you can open notes. You can find out. So in place of this, I can write strength of solution by gram molecular mass. Nothing but molarity. So this is the molarity and strength of solution relation. Molarity and strength of solution relation services. If they given molarity, I can find out strength of solution. If they given strength of solution, I can find out molarity. This is gram molecular mass. I hope we discussed we given yesterday molarity equal to strength of solution and W by W percent. What is the relation, sir? And strength of solution and W by V percent. What is the relation? So this molecular weight is common, sir. Gram molecular mass is common. In place of strength of solution, I can write here W by V percent into 10. Is it correct? So this is the molarity in terms of W by V percent. Same molarity I am writing, sir, in terms of W by W percent. Common molecular weight is common, sir. Only strength of solution you have to find out formula. Can you find? Anyone? Array notes only can use your note. No need to find any other ways. In notes, strength of solution in W by W percent what I given. W by W percent into 10 into density. This I given, sir. I didn't remember yesterday formulas. Huh? You remembered, na? All the people you noted down in notes. Is it correct or wrong? Please find. Please check your notes. Strength of solution W by V percent. This is the formula. W by W percent. This is the formula. Is it correct? D means density, sir. D means D equal to density. This is in gram per ml. Maybe somewhere they will give gravity also, specific gravity. Specific gravity. Even this also same equal to density, sir. Just utilize this one. Now whenever you are solving problems, don't get confusion. Now can you solve those two problems which is given here? W by V percent formula and molarity relation I given. W by W percent and molarity given relation. Can you try answers now? I hope you noted down these questions. Calculate the molarity of the W by V percent, 4% W by V percent of NaOH. Next one, calculate the molarity of 4.9. This is 9, sir. 4.9 W by W percent of H2SO4 solution, but density I given. Now can you give answers? Can you check again, correct or wrong? First one is 1. Is it correct? Everyone you got 1? And second one is 0.6. They are providing, sir. Is it correct? Yes, you can find out, sir, here. First one. W by V how much I given? 4 into 10 by gram molecular weight how much, sir? NaOH 40. I think so. 1 is correct. 1 mole per liter. Now what about second question, sir? Second question. Molarity equal to W by W percent how much, sir? 4.9 into 10 into density is 1.2 by how much, sir? This is 98 molecular weight. So these are 2 times. Is it correct? Let 10 into 4.9 will get 49. 49 2 times is nothing but 98. Then you may can calculate 2. This is will get 0.6. So you can get questions from any way, sir. I think so. Understood some people at least who are present. All these are. I sent some people books who contact me personally. I forwarded that book. That book also contained too many questions. We can practice with solution. They contain, sir. That book. We can solve how many questions we can do. How many can understand. I think so. Some people already seekers material. Everyone they provided. Mostly can practice that book also. Too good that is. Okay, already started some people. Very good, sir. Already some people they started seekers book solving problems. Good, good. Alright, just I forwarded one PDF. Some student they contact me personally. Okay, for them I forwarded. Yes, seekers module you can see. Huh? Things you understood. Shall we do one more? Fine. Practice purpose on all these things. One more question, sir. Please try to note down. All molarity only I'm asking, sir. Calculate molarity and strength of solution even. You can write. And W by V percent of 1.26 grams of H2C2O4 dot 2H2O dissolved in 250 ml of solution. Try this question. If you are not getting, nothing is the problem. I will explain, sir. Okay. But try your best. But I am expecting from your best. Try this question. Zero point 0.04 molarity that is. Is it correct? And then find remaining also. By using definitions also you can try to find out, sir. Not only formula. By using definition which is I given W by V percent, W grams of solute present in 100 grams of solution, 100 ml of solution, that is we call W by V percent. Like that way make and try. By using definitions also we can try. Otherwise you can use formula also, no issue. I given W by V percent and strength of solution, molarity, all the relations I given. You can use like that also, no issue. Someone they given molarity 0.056. Some people 0.04. You can use M molarity, M capital M, you can use strength of solution, you may can use gram per liter units or SS also you can use. But SS is not official, so you can't use that is. You can use gram per liter also. Okay. So I think so molarity equal to by given weight by gram molecular mass into 1000 by VML. Is it correct? 1.26 by what is the gram molecular weight, sir? We have to add including water. You need to add including water, sir, here. I think so. That is also 126. Is it correct? Or anything wrong, sir? Fine, 126. Into 1000 by 250. 4 times. Can you do? This is 100 times. You can get 0.04. Is it correct? Anything wrong, sir? 0.04 m. You may can do easily, sir. Your mathematics people, you can do calculation very fast. So this is I am expecting answer. You may can prove this is wrong also if wrong. Don't prove again correct answer wrong. If that is really wrong, you can prove that one. Fine. Strength of solution. I think so. You can do like this also. Otherwise, you can apply definition also. Strength of solution by gram molecular mass. Is it correct? So strength of solution equal to 0.04 into molecular weight 126. Is it correct? You can find how much you are getting. That's your answer. W by V percentage. By using formula first you can do, later you can apply definition. W by V percent into 10 by gram molecular weight. So molarity into gram molecular mass by 10 equal to W by V percent. So put here 0.04 to 126 by 10. That is W by V percent. So you can do like this or definition also you can apply, sir. Definition also. If you are not using, this is 126 directly, that is strength of solution. If you are not using, or you are using for 100 ml, that is W by V percent. W grams in 100 ml is W by V percent. Anything wrong, sir? Yes, W grams VML into 1000 you can use, correct. That is also correct, sir. You will get. One question you can get different methods. Ultimately, your answer is matching or not, you can find. As science, this is we can see different methods. You should not see only my method. Okay. Even my method is not that much successful method. Who are you are coming upcoming students? Your brain is too much active. You can see science different methods. Those type of methods we need, sir. Done. Fine. You got answer? Yeah, fine. Shall we proceed next? Fine. Okay. Now we can find out, sir. I hope you know that one. Let us suppose Na2 CO3. Arre, what happened? Suppose Na2 CO3. Now what is the ions we are getting, sir, here? 2 Na plus CO3 2 minus. If this concentration is 1 molar, 0 initially you don't have anything. After some time Na2CO3 completely converted into ions. When they are converted completely ions mean this is 0. Then you will get here whatever this is also converted into product, sir. M, but how much is there in front of this? That much only you have to write. 2M. Here how much, sir? M, this 1M only. But how much is there in front of this? 1. Don't add, sir. Most of the people I've seen, some people they are doing, sir, here 1M is there. So you have to write this is 1M into 0.5M, 0.5M. That is wrong. This Na2CO3 is different. Na plus is different. CO3 2 minus is different. Clear? Understood? So this ions is different. Whatever stoichiometric coefficients is there, that's only how to multiply. I'm giving one more example. You can see this fine. Let's see. We can get first example. This is next. I'm giving Al2SO4 taken thrice. Can you write how many aluminum ions here? Please, can you write? Please write along with me, everyone. Note down. Or you can get next example very clearly. Don't worry. All your doubts you can clarify. Please write 2 aluminum. What is the aluminum charge? You can go back crisscross. Will get 3 plus how many sulfate ions? 3 sir. 3 so 2 minus. Any doubt in this case? If I am taking suppose here XM molarity, sir. Initially 0 0 no dissociation. That's why. After dissociation, I am assuming everything is dissociated. This is 0. You can write here xm. Here also xm. But how much that coefficient is there in front of this? That's we have to multiply 2 into xm, 3 into xm. Okay. This is general equation. You can apply for any example. Even above example also you can apply same. This is the general equation. So you can apply above example also. In place of x is 1 is there. So 2 into 1m. Okay. Here also 1. In place of this 1 is there, sir. 1 into m. In place of x I given 1, sir. You can multiply. This is correct expressions. Yes, yes. But here I given x. You can't write 3m, 2m, sir. That x value, whatever, that depends on, na, that's you have to multiply that is. You should not write 3 directly. Are someone they're asking what is the dissociation? Are dissociation means breaking, sir. Actually, this is Na2CO3. This is compound. It's broken here. Whatever Na is there and CO3 that broken. That's we call dissociation. Which is breaking that one into pieces. That's we call dissociation. Clear? Any other doubt, please? Yes, ionizing, dissociation, all I'm going to be use same type of manner. Same meaning, sir. I will give one more example. Please find. Alright, this general equation, can you find please? Note down. Whatever x is there, that will get here also x. But multiply how many ions is there that is in front of this. Very simple. I'm giving one more also. Please find. CaCl2 gives rise Ca2 plus 2Cl minus. Assume that one, this is 0.4 m molarity. Initially 0. Initially means reaction just before starting. T equal to 0. I am taking time measuring reaction going on. Once reaction started after some time T. A reaction starting and we are measuring experimentally by using time also. At what time is started, at what time we are ending, like that. That time this is. Okay. Now T equal to means reaction started something that completed also reaction. After certain time, this won't be there here. In place of x, how much I'm giving, sir, here? 0.4. You can write here 0.4. Here also 0.4. How much is there stoichiometric coefficient in front of this? 1. So 1 into 0.4. This is ions. How many ions we are getting? That's the only thing you have to write. Here, how many ions we are getting, sir? From 1 mole. 1 unit, how many are getting? 2. So 2 into 0.4. Why I'm using here 2 into 0.4? This is one compound that is a concentration 0.4. After dissociating, how many ions we are getting, sir? 2 ions. That's why into 2 we are doing. How many calcium we are getting? That's why into 1. Otherwise, simply you can follow whatever in front of the stoichiometric coefficient, we can write in front of that. That's more than enough. So what is the calcium ion concentration after dissociate? 0.4 m. What is the chloride ion concentration after dissociate? 0.8 m ion. Yes, concentration they will give. Don't worry. Dissociate or ionization same. The compound which they have, this is compound. The dissociate means broken is all the bonds. That is the reason we are converting Ca2 plus 2Cl minus. Dissociate means breaking of the bonds. So CaCl2 they have some bonds breaking. That's why we are getting ions. That process only we call dissociation. Any other, please? Array we can keep, this is 2 because how many CL is there here? That much only I wrote here. We are multiplying, this is 2. We can keep 0.4 into 2 also, doesn't matter, answer you will get same only. 0.4 into 2 you can write, 2 into 0.4 also you can get, same answer you will get. Where you are writing not important, but number you are getting finally answer is correct or wrong, you can check please. Shall we do one more question? M stands for what? M means molarity. M equal to molarity. Any other? Fine. So next question I am giving, you have to write everything, sir. Understood? Write equation and I am giving here 0.2 m. Write equation, what you are getting, then ions concentration also. Please write ions concentration also. I like your mobile game, sir. When we are going levels, if you are not showing interest means you can't learn. When that increases level, you have to take more and more seriously. If you understood game rules, you can play very well. If you are not understand up to which level you understood, that level you have to stop. You can't go further level to play any game, sir. So all these are rules which you are playing every time mobile games. Those mobile game rules you can assume that one. Then we are playing little bit big levels. Clear? So take challenge. Why I am not getting? So any point, new point is there. Then try to observe that one. Then try to apply. I am giving for application purpose 2 to 3 problems. First we are learning all the rules, sir. Yes, we are using finding the concentration of ions. This is the compound concentration we are finding still now. In examination, they can ask ions concentrations also. At the time, you are using this concept, sir. Understood? This is the problem you are using, solving, but they are extending next point. Can you find out ion concentration? At the time, you are using this concept, sir. So Ca2 plus HCO3 minus. How many ions are these? Twice, means 2. So initially 0 will be there, no ions. After dissociation, we will get here 0.2 m. This is 2 into 0.2 m. So this is nothing but 0.2 m. This is 0.4 m. Understood? Kaushik Babu, we discussed starting classes all the charges. Please find that is. All the introduction classes I mentioned everything very clearly how to write charges. Please find, you can get answers. Array now which is I am asking questions all that one. You don't want to give that one. After dissociation, sir, this will give CO to something. Leave that one. What I am asking, give answers. Later we can get everything. First you got this question. How to do this one? I think so. You understood this point. Next one, sir. Array you can do still more. Little bit we are going to be complete. Then we can do. N factor is the one of the most important. That's we need to find out, sir. Clear? Now still how much time we have? I think so 20 minutes. You can do. I think so. Molarity, find out how to do that one. In molarity formula, by using molarity also you can find out normal, number of moles, sir. M equal to N by V liters. Please note down. The number of moles equal to N into molarity into volume in liters. This we called moles. Please note down this one. N equal to molarity into VML I am using, means this is millimole. If you are using VML means millimoles, liters means number of moles. Please note down these formulas. Number of moles formula already I mentioned previously, but again this also one of the formula. Please keep in mind number of moles new formula came. They can ask number of moles not only in terms of weight, they can ask molarity into volume also. Clear? Any doubt here? So in coming cases, little bit level we are going to be increased, which is I given that perfectly practice on paper 2 to 3 times. If you have any textbook related one, please read and come. Then only can following, sir. We can do these things. Okay. One famous question, sir. This is how you can do that is. What is the molarity of one liter of water? Density of water is generally, sir, 1 gram per ml. Clear? So we know that 1 liter equal to 1000 ml, nothing but weight of the compound equal to what we can do, sir? Weight or mass equal to density by, density into volume. So here volume is 1000 ml, density is 1, we'll get 1000 grams. Okay. So molarity equal to number of moles by V liters, means 1 liter. I am asking 1 liter, sir. V is 1 liter. Okay. N equal to given mass is 1000 grams by 18 is the molecular weight. N value, sir. How to find out N value? Given mass by molecular weight into 1 by 1 liter. This is 55.55 m molarity. Please find, if any doubt you can ask this question, you can discuss. Array, if in the question they're asking in ml only they're given, that is because I mentioned the liters. Actually, first one is liter only, always liter. If in the question they mention any ml, then you can convert into ml. Otherwise, no need to convert. If they mention liters, use liters only. Understood? Please read question one more time. What is the molarity of 1 liter of H2O? Density I mentioned. We know that 1 liter means 1000 ml. Volume this is. Density they given. By using density and volume, I can find out weight of the water 1000, because 1 liter into density is 1, I 1000 grams. For 1 liter, na? What is the molarity formula, sir? Molarity equal to N by, okay, V liters. Is it correct? If that is 1 liter they mention, you can substitute here 1 liter only. generally 1 liter molarity formula. N equal to weight by gram molecular weight into, if you want you can give 1000 by VML also 1 liter I am using, sir. This also 1000 you can use. 1000 will be cancelled. W how much they given, sir? 1000 grams. What is the molecular weight of water? 18. You can get answer. 1000 ml by 1000 means cancel or not? I hope you got. Understood? Please let me know any difficult. No issue. Again, I will explain if you are not getting. But only practice required. We are expecting practice. Huh? And if anyone you are school people, I think you are still you didn't join schools, so you won't get any WhatsApp groups. Leave it. Okay, density is fine, no issue, sir. Array density equal to formula given mass by or weight by volume. I can find out weight equal to density into volume. Okay, molarity formula W by gram molecular mass into 1000 by VML. Understood? Or you can write W by gram molecular weight into, okay, 1 by V liters. This I am not converting to ml into here liters only. So I got weight of water is, density is 1, volume is 1 liter means 1000 ml. I will get here 1000 grams. So W equal to 1000 gram, molecular weight equal to 18. 1 liter of solution only we are taking, sir. 1 by 1 you will get 55.5. Understood? Someone they're asking your friend, sir, why we are using grams? Huh? Array, our chemicals is very small weight you are taking in laboratory. Understood? You won't take by going NaOH is 1 kg, you won't mix. We are not doing bulk method. In laboratory, we are doing test, small thing, that is we are taking grams, milligrams. You can't take 1 kg. Maybe you have too much rich person, you can do that is that 1 kg chemical cost is too much. Even you joined anywhere, even IIT or NIT, for practical purpose, they won't give 1 kg chemical to you, sir. Even after some days, you are going to be joined 12th standard also, you are going to do some experiments, okay, practicals. They won't provide you kgs. Here, everything practical oriented they are taking. Okay, fine. One more method is there I'm going to discuss, that is also fine. Please note down. Molarity we completed. Again, we'll come back molarity later, sir. Again. Now we are closing molarity. Next, mole fraction. This is in bracket capital X, sir. Symbol is capital X. Mole fraction symbol is capital X. Fraction meaning you know that one. For example, assume that one in our class. Don't take negatively. Suppose these are the not classroom, sir. We are taking here green color 3 balls is there. Another coffee color they have 2 balls. A red color 5 balls. What is the fraction of red color balls are here? What is the fraction of red color? What is the fraction of red color balls? Anyone? 1 by 2. Yes, very good. What is the fraction of red color only? So whatever red color number of balls by total number of balls. How many total number of balls are? 10. Is it correct? What is the fraction of green color, sir? What is the fraction of green color? One. Very good, very good, correct. How many is there, sir? Green color? 3. By total, how many? 10. Understood? So similarly, we are going to be applying, this is for our moles. What is the mole fraction means? You have to take this ratio in terms of moles. In terms of moles. Shall we do that one? Very simple, sir. One, make sure they have 2 moles of N2 and 3 moles of O2. What is the mole fraction of N2 here? Can you find anyone? What is the mole fraction of N2? Mole fraction of N2. Yes, yes. That's only mole fraction method means simple. Moles of N2 by total number of moles. How many are here? 5. 2 plus 3. So 2 by 5. So this is only mole fraction meaning. You got meaning that one mole fraction? If you are expressing fraction in terms of moles, we call mole fraction. I understood this method. If you are expressing fraction in terms of moles, that's we call mole fraction. Understood? Yes, that's only simple, sir. No definition. Simply you can note down. If solution formed by, note down, formed by Na. This is component A, sir. Otherwise, we write, sir. Component A and component B. Okay. So taking here A is the solvent and B is solute. So moles of solvent equal to Na, moles of solute equal to Nb. What's the mole fraction of B? Fraction of B equal to Nb by Na plus Nb. Is it correct? Mole fraction of A equal to Na by Na plus Nb. Any doubt? Any doubt here? Mole fraction? If no doubt means I will show remaining slides. Fine. Shall we do only one problem, sir, based on this? Only one problem. Calculate the mole fraction of mole fraction of 1.6 grams of CH4 plus 3.2 grams of O2 mixture. So you are mixing these two solutions. You have to find out mole fraction. Each component, but you can keep in mind one more point. Mole fraction of previous slide, sir. But all fractions should be equal to 1. I hope you know that one. Xa plus xb equal to 1. If you find xa value, I can find xb also. Xb equal to xa minus 1. You can keep all fractions should be equal to 1. Clear? Can you find, sir, this answer? Anyone? What's the moles of methane? CH4 equal to 1.6 by 16.1. What's the moles of O2, sir? NO2 equal to 3.2 by 32. This is also 0.1. Can you find mole fractions? How much mole fraction are you getting? Suppose X methane CH4 equal to 0.1 by 0.1 plus 0.1. How much, sir? 0.1 by 0.2. Is it correct? 1 by 2. Of course, 0.5. Correct only 0.5. If 1 is 0.5 means the one you can find out automatically 0.5. Xa plus xb equal to 1. You can use this formula. Is it clear? So remaining we can do tomorrow also have class. I think so now onwards every day we have class. We can complete the remaining. Come if you need anyone, sir. Already I wrote my phone number already. I given to you everyone my phone number. If you want expand, I can contact. Otherwise, first we can prefer secrets material. First priority secrets material, sir. Then remaining you may can see. And this is the first slide, sir, which is I given. You can see one by one. Remaining people you may can take break. I can't say everything. I'm teaching NCRT, okay, but we are following NCRT also. We are following strictly NCRT plus extra we are adding. Second slide. Take screenshots if possible, because you are writing and that must will take too much time. It's a third slide. Maybe you can take little bit time, but you can note down or you can copy this or take screenshot. Right, we have to send through WhatsApp something. I will send my team your ID. Think so. My phone number already you have everyone 9491207523. Okay. This is my WhatsApp number. If you need anyone, you may contact. This slide, sir. Fourth one next. This is question. And followed by problem solving. You may can find. Fifth slide. Just I am giving ions only. How to calculate concentration. The seekers material, you need to ask them, Vishnu sir, he may can coordinate with you. Arey, where is the remaining slides, man? This is 6. Laternity, I don't know all that metal, still I didn't receive anything from them. You may can ask them only. You can call directly seekers office, they will provide everything. Because I don't know about those things. Still I didn't receive any material from them. Any other slides? If no need means we can stop. Clear? I think so. No need any other slides. I hope. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.